Hi traders, in part one, we talked about the 80% open equity distance and how we actually got this trade to hit our target before it started reversing against us. In this video, we'll be talking about, in part two, we will be talking about the two factors for scaling up. This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are in part two. If you haven't watched part one of this live trading session video, please, I highly recommend you all to watch, where we discussed about the 80% open equity distance, how we construct this strategy and how it hit our target before reversing up. Okay, so in the last video, I just briefly touched about scaling up, and I also showed over here on this account where we took a size of very small size of 0.04 contracts on silver, and how we got this very small profit of £23.64. Okay, now in terms of scaling up, you can see, let me show you another account as well. So this is all just different accounts that you can test and see as well. So we do a lot of testing and research for research purposes. Let me show you another account over here.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So over here, traders, you can see that the size over here is a bit more bigger, 0.06, and over here, then it took about £35.22. What you can see over here, the takeaway messages are this, a couple of points, all right? So in the first one, we had 0.04, and then here in this account, we got 0.06. Of course, you can scale up even more higher. All right, but what I want you to take away, the first point, what I want you to take away is the time that was required to make the profit on both the accounts was the same. Time was the same, okay? But in the same amount of time on one account, you made a little bit lesser than the other one. It could even have been over here, you could have made £50, and over here on another account, you could have made £5,000, right? 100 times more, but the time was the same. So the first point, what I want you to take home is time. The amount of time you spend is not proportionate to the money you earn. Now, this is the biggest takeaway from this game of trading and investing, and that's why no matter what amount of time you put into it, it's highly rewarding. Okay, highly rewarding. Is worth it. It's not like your conventional jobs that you go to, or sometimes even in businesses, it takes a lot of time to pull yourself out, where the time that you put in is not equal to the money that you earn. Okay, it's no longer proportionate. Okay, you can scale up now.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now, the second thing, understanding that, and now moving on to the second point, which is what are the two reasons you should consider before scaling up? Just because you had one win, okay? Over here, we talk always professionally. Over here, just because you had one win doesn't mean you should start getting excited and you should start to scale up. Okay, that's not how it is. What you need to really do is, over all your testings and over all your real-time performance, you should be really asking yourself, why should it continue to work? Okay, why should it continue to work? Why is that strategy that you are implementing, why should it continue to work? In other words, is what we call the edge. What is the edge of the strategy? What is the edge of the strategy? In other words, what is it that makes it a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy? Okay, so for us over here, not only do we have the concepts and the theories to tell you why it would work, but we also have real-time data to prove it as well. That's why we're up over 38% so far this year. Let me show you the data for that as well. So you can see all the trade log over here as well in terms of our one-day exit strategy over here. And you can see that over here, everything is logged in real time as well. All our profits and all our losses too. You can see over here, right? So all is logged. So not only do we know the theory and concept of why the strategy must continue to work, we also got real-time data to back it up too. Not only that, then we also analyze it over here, and you can see that across all three strategies, we're up 38.36%. And just for one day exit alone, we're up 17.22% so far. Right, so that's to do with that over there in terms of our results and why the strategy must continue to work. Okay, that's the first thing you need to consider before scaling up. Then the next thing that you need to be looking at. So point number one, just to summarize, point number one, time not equal to money proportionate. Take home that message. Number two, what I told you was why must it continue to work? Number three, traders, the important thing is no matter how good your backup, your results are, your real-time results are, always keep focusing on your risk management. Okay, there are two factors that you need to know in terms of your risk management analysis. I've gone through a little bit in the previous recordings on the YouTube channel. Go and look at them. It's your drawdown analysis. There are two factors that you need to look at as well. These are all the things that we train people also in our Traders Basecamp package, in our 2-day workshop as well, along with all the digital stuff that we provide. We provide a lot of support over here, all in the notion of helping you achieve consistent performance and becoming a professional trader. All right, so these are the three things that you should be considering. All right, traders. Okay, why must the strategy continue to work? Your risk management, know your drawdown analysis, and we know all of that for this particular strategy. And we've also talked about this in our previous recording, so highly recommend you guys to watch it. And also, if you all have any questions at all, drop us a line, book a one-to-one session, or as a start, to begin, I would say very simply, go and watch our Trader Starter Pack videos, especially the beginner and advanced content over there is really good. And that's why our clients stick with us for 8 to 10 years, because they say they can't find this material anywhere. Nobody talks about open equity this extensively. Okay, it's an institutional thing that we were taught to by institutional quant traders. All right, traders, I think that's pretty much that. Those are the three takeaways for you all to think about. One is, why is it so rewarding in this trading business? Is because, as I've shown you, the time that you put is not equal to the money that you earn. Okay, basically you can put less amount of hours or the same amount of time, but you can scale up the amount of money that you earn. Okay, in 1 hour that the trade was running passively as well, that you can earn either £50 or you can earn £5,000, but you can only do that as you gain the confidence. And how do you gain the confidence? Which is the second part, which I spoke about, which is why must your strategy continue to work? And the third thing is your risk management, in terms of the two factors that I talked about as well, that you can find out from our previous recordings. All right, that's all from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.